Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Terry and today I am sharing a card that I created using the most recent Box of the Month release. So these are the 3 stamp set that's included in the Box of the Month, and today I'll be using the one with the cute little bears. So going in on white cardstock, I went in with an alcohol friendly ink and I stamped that onto the white cardstock. I am using an alcohol-friendly ink because I do plan on using my Copic markers to color the images in. Okay, and once the images were stamped out, I went straight into coloring. As always, I will go ahead and leave a timestamp down below, so if you're not interested in the coloring part, you can go ahead and forward to that time. But if you are, I hope you sit back and enjoy. I'll see you guys in a little bit. am back. So here I'm creating a background scene, and I'm going in with one of the stamps from the Bloom with Gray stamp set. And I'm stamping that down with black ink onto white cardstock. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a technique called ink smushing. So if you haven't heard of ink smushing, is you lay down some inks onto an acrylic block or just a sleek surface and you spritz some water. You're going to go in with a piece of acetate. And what you want to do is pick up some of the ink with the acetate and then drag that onto your white cardstock. It kind of like a faux watercolor effect. Instead of using a brush, you're using an acetate sheet. And I think it's a fun way to kind of switch it up a bit. So here I'm going in with some pink shades as well as yellow and green. As you can see, I went in and placed the ink onto an acrylic block, spritzed it with water. Then going in with my acetate sheet, I just dabbed that into the ink. Now I'm running that against my cardstock. And now to add a little more interest to the background, I went in with gold paint and splattered that throughout the card panel. Okay, so to give the stamp flowers a little more color, I went in with some color pencils and I'm just doing very simple coloring here. I'm not doing a lot of blending, so just 1 or 2 shades of color, and I'm just going in and coloring all of the flowers. Okay, so now it's time to assemble everything together. So I went ahead and trimmed down this card panel down to 5¼ inches by 4 inches. And I also trimmed a beige color cardstock that's slightly larger than the card panel. Now using liquid adhesive, I adhered the two together. Okay, so now going in with foam squares, I popped up the little brown bear and I popped her up to the bottom corner of my card panel. And to finish off the card, I adhered it to a side folding card base. And that's it. That completes the card. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I would love it if you came on over to visit me on my channel at Cloudy Coral Designs. Okay, until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.